Just a moment. Okay, yeah. Any doubts, guys?
Hi, Rajesh.
Hi.
Yeah. I have a query in my project I'm facing an issue someone has developed the dashboard using some flat files.
Okay.
So client is now asking to that should be in live.
Pardon?
Means how can we in data executing those queries and he's getting the extract files.
Okay.
And he's using those extract files in the Tableau.
Mhm.
So how can we update the data?
No, you need to check the queries and all, right?
No, I don't need to check the queries. I need to like he developed using the flat files, right? But by using flat files, the data won't be updated.
You need to get the flat files and replace that with your existing flat file.
But someone has to do manually this thing, right?
Yeah,
Every
obviously,
time.
that is the disadvantage with flat files, right?
So how can we replace that thing? It should be done automatically. The process
Then
should be done.
you should get the data from database directly. Don't depend on flat files.
Is that is correct, right? So yeah, I'm doing appropriately, but just want to confirm with
Yeah,
you.
yeah. See, with
So
the flat files, again, there is a problem. Again, you need to get the data, even if somewhere, even if the same location, you are changing the data, even there are a lot of other problems. So that is the see. Flat files are just for point in one's only at that one snapshot. You cannot update them automatically, right? So if you want to get them automatically, connect to the database. That is why we have databases, right? Because we will get the data at whatever level we want. We query the data and we can use it. Okay?
even I had a discussion with the database team. So I asked her like these. She's creating the views. So I asked her like back and said these views will be updated. Like you are getting the live data like that. I asked her, but she is telling that no, it is not the live data. If you want this data should be live, then we have to run these queries at particular time frame.
Yeah, that should see that is how your extract refresh functions, right? Once you connect to your database, whatever the data that you want, you'll get that data and you'll create an extract. And then whenever there is a new data that is required or is any update in the data, then you'll trigger a refresh, and that is full refresh or incremental refresh. So to refresh, it will go to the query, the fresh data, whatever it is there, and it will get back to you and it will use it. Right? That is how it happens.
No, whenever I connected to the database, that time I'm keeping live. So from my side, I don't.
Live connection.
Yeah, I'm using live connection.
Live connection with flat files, right? You are saying live connection with flat files. You are pointing two things. One is you are using flat files and there is a database. So into flat files and you now want to connect to the database. That is the point.
Yeah.
Then you should ask your database team and get the credentials and connect to the database and then get your data. I'm still not getting your doubt actually.
No. See, yeah, actually, in case of flat files connecting to the database, then we should make there are two connections, live and extract, right? So I'm keeping the live connection and I'm doing the dashboard publish and everything. As a Tableau developer, we don't need to make a refresh, right?
No, need not. because whenever there is a change, someone is doing something, the query directly goes to the database. Hence, the whatever the at that point in time, whatever is the data, you will get that data. You need
Yeah.
not.
Yeah. Understand.
Hi, Rajeshwar.
Hi.
Rajeshwar, actually, I've pinged you one image in Telegram.
Yeah, yesterday we discussed about that, right?
Rajeshwar, actually, I need to show the one of the status. We have a currency over here, like USD and TWD, CK, like that. We have a alphabetical and numerical. So actually, I want to do like currency TWD, right? How can
You mean to say you have 10 USD? That is what you have. The point is, I need to see the data. Otherwise, I cannot. So that is what I'm saying, guys. Try to create mimic the scenario so that you'll get solution very clear. We'll both be clear. Now whatever you are saying, it is hard for me to visualize, right? Because you see the data, you have clarity on that. But for me, I don't have that clarity, right? So can you please mimic the data and pose the question? Hello? Hello? I don't know. I think I lost him. Okay, guys, any other doubts?
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Sir, my question is from Tableau side, if based on the Tableau mapping, the query will generate it dynamically. This functionality is available in Tableau.
Wait, can you come again?
Based on Tableau mapping, the query will generate dynamically. This functionality available in Tableau.
You want to see the query that is generated.
Yeah, based on the mapping. Means
What
we created
mapping?
some
I'm not getting.
visualization on
What do you mean by mapping?
mapping means suppose we created some visualization in Tableau. Based on that visualization, we want means we want to generate dynamic query.
So we cannot generate dynamic query. That option is not there. But if you want to generate a dynamic query, okay, but that option directly Tableau doesn't provide. But see, when you create a map, now generally the querying is only based on your select list. If you talk about SQL, it's about select list, from clause, where clause, and group by, and so on. So if you ask me, then if you are dragging this category and sales, now what will be the query behind? What is the query Tableau is using behind this? Now for me, I think it will be category, comma, sum of sales from superstore table, group by category. So this will be your query.
Okay.
So
So where we got that?
pardon? See, this query will be present in log files, but you cannot dynamically show it. Okay,
Okay. So where we got it, that query?
this query, this is general
Yeah, yeah,
SQL
yeah.
query, right? This is my this is the discrete part, and this is an aggregation part, and group by using my, again, whatever. This is a basic SQL statement that I wrote based on whatever output that I got.
Yeah, yeah.
Rajesh, I think he is asking for query which we are getting in recording, performance recording.
What in?
Where will get performance record section we are getting now that query SQL query.
You're asking. He's asking about no. Is that what he's asking? No, it's not about performance recording.
Based based on the visualize. Suppose here we created some categorized wise cell, right? So some query will generate, right, for this particular visualization. Okay, I need that query only. Actually, my client is asking for that particular query, so they can
that is generally present in logbooks and logs actually. Not sure if it is present in here. So it's hard actually, but somewhere in this you'll have that query. You have to go through these log files and then you will be able to get the query. I'm not sure how convenient will that be, but there is one Tableau GitHub link. Just
Yeah, sir. Actually, I googled it, but in Google it is showing as this functionality not available for Tableau for now.
yeah, this functional is directly not available. Once go through this might help you. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Any other doubts, guys?
Rajesh, this is Vijay. Just now I asked the question, right? Can I share my screen at once?
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, you sent a photo as well.
Yes.
Okay, you have, yeah, that is what I asked. In that you can remove that text, right? Right?
Yeah, Rajesh.
You are sharing a screen?
Yeah, Rajesh. I'm sharing this.
So you can split that column actually. You have that column, right? You can split that so that you will get numbers in one column and the text in another column, right? So now in the numbers, whatever numerical manipulations you want to do, you can do that.
Okay. So I need to split the.
Yeah, you need to split that column. Yes.
Sure. Rajesh, I will try in this way.
Okay.
Rajesh, like one more question. Like presently, I have data like 15 lakhs, 13 lakhs data. So I need to show that article values in my Tableau. So it's facing a performance issue. On that place, I am for every report I am trying to do the reports in a custom SQL. Presently, I'm doing the custom with a custom SQL. Is it create any problem in future if I do the all reports in a custom SQL?
It will not create any unless until certain columns are renamed or certain columns are truncated. Then it might give you certain errors. Even then, just a basic rework on that SQL might help you. It doesn't actually, custom SQL doesn't create any problems.
Sorry, Rajesh, custom SQL
doesn't create any such problems.
Okay.
But yeah, only thing as I told you, if there is a column name that is changed or truncated, which is very rare because people doesn't touch the production tables and do any manipulations on that. So it is not going to be any problem. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Perfect. Thanks, Rajesh.
Okay. Any other doubts, guys?
previously when we connected like local DP and we have developed the dashboard and published in the server, the data whenever we refresh in the server, it is automatically refreshing. But nowadays it is asking for Tableau Bridge client. May I know what is the use of the Tableau Bridge client?
Tableau Bridge is used for Tableau Bridge. Yeah, just a moment. Tableau Bridge is yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. So if you have, if Tableau Bridge is used to connect, is your connection Tableau, is it on-prem server or a Tableau cloud?
The database is in, like I'm connecting to local MySQL server and I try to update the, after publishing the data.
No, your server, what is that you are using? Are you using cloud or are you using on-prem server?
Not cloud, on premise.
Generally, what do you say? This Tableau Bridge is used to connect your what you say on-prem your data on your systems, on-premise data to your Tableau cloud in general. So that they have extended it to Tableau server as well. I think you need to connect to your DB team server, the Tableau admin, whether they have introduced any Tableau bridge into your what do you say?
Actually, see, in general way, I have used, see, I'm not connecting with any, I have created free version of Tableau online for general user purpose. So there is no Tableau admin. I am the admin for my Tableau online, right? Trial version I have created.
Wait, you don't even have trial version. You created a trial. You installed a Tableau server trial, and from that you installed Tableau desktop, and you are trying to what do you say?
No, see, trial free version of Tableau desktop 1 year student license will be there, right? I am
Yes.
using that one, and
Yeah,
from
right, but like what she's saying, I just faced the same issue the before. So mostly we are like Lakshmi, you are facing like the refresh has been failed, right? You are getting an email, right?
same issue repeating. But previously, when I used that 1 year back, it does not happen. But nowadays, it is giving me that error.
Yes, I still didn't get what is the problem. Can you explain me, Rakesh? What is the problem?
She is publishing into the server, and when we try to refresh in the server, it got failed. So we are getting an email, the refresh has been failed because of the bridge. Mostly we are facing this issue in Tableau online server. This is not an on-prem server.
Yeah, that is what, because Tableau bridge is for Tableau cloud, right?
Exactly. So on that time, what we need to do, mostly I think she published data source. I think that she developed that workbook mostly, and for that, we need to create a private network. Opening that data source.
So that is what an admin can do, right? Not, I think don't she'll not have to.
Yeah. I think if you have permission, the owner, if she Lakshmi is there, he can do. If admin is there, they have to do.
Okay.
I'm the admin.
Then you have developed that workbook as embedded or published data source.
Embedded.
Embedded. Embedded means you when you open that workbook in the Tableau online server, you will see the data source and extract replace, right?
Yes.
When just you go into the data sources and there you will see 3 lines. Then edit connection, you can select their private network. You will not face this issue.
Okay, I will try that.
Okay. Great.
Hi, Rajeshwar.
Hi.
Yeah, I have one question, Rajeshwar.
Yeah, go ahead.
Can I share my screen?
Go
Or
ahead.
I can tell you the details.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
You can go ahead.
Yeah. Can you able to see my screen,
About to.
Rajeshwar?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So here I am placed category sales. And the next sheet I am placed subcategory sales. And the third sheet I have placed region sales. My requirement is to show, like, if you placed all three in the dashboard, if you published in the server, it will show like tabs. Sheet 11, sheet 12, sheet 13. So they want, like, if I click sheet 11, it has to show, like, I mean, entire container. These two has to be hide. If I click sheet 12, it has to show entire container. These two has to be hide. Like that I want to display. Is that possible?
Again, you are saying you are publishing sheets as tabs.
Not tabs in the dashboard.
So in the dashboard, you have sheet 11, sheet 12, and sheet 13. If you click on sheet 11 should appear. If you click on sheet 12, sheet 12 should appear.
Yes, exactly.
Then use. Can you highlight one of that sheet? Can you click on that sheet?
Yeah.
Click on the drop down. Why am I not able to see the drop down?
No, I clicked.
I think you shared only Tableau, right? That is why I'm not able to see the. You need to reshare it.
So can you show me from your side?
Okay, I'll show it. Here, if you see, I have category sales.
No, anyway.
And I'm bringing subcategory and sales.
Okay.
Now we are bringing sheet 2 in here, and then you're saying you're bringing sheet 3.
Right.
Now you have something. If you click on this, it should expand and show.
Yes, exactly.
Right? Then here show add hide button, right?
I'm not able to see that. Oh, okay.
Yeah, let me redo that.
Oh, show on hide button. Okay.
Yeah, this add show hide button. I'm placing. You can put it as a text or anything. You can edit this button, and in here you can put image or a text. Right? If you want the text to be here, like sheet 11 or whatever it is you want.
Yeah. Okay.
Right? Expand this. Now let me. This is the presentation mode. If I click on sheet 11, okay.
Okay.
This you can do for others as well.
But I want that sheet 3 in a full container. It will be like in a certain rectangle shape. I mean.
Wait, you want, okay, then do one. You want whatever you click, that should actually, okay, you are saying it should, whatever you click, it should be showing in the total container. It should not be showing
Yes.
only one part.
Yes.
Then, let me bring this. Let me bring a horizontal. Let me bring a horizontal container, and I'm bringing again a vertical container and another vertical container. In this I'm bringing sheet 2, and in this I'm bringing sheet 3. Here I am going into the vertical container, and in this container I am bringing add show head button. And in here also I am going into my vertical container, and here I am showing add show head.
Okay.
Now, wait, why is this happening? Just a moment. Okay, let's try another way. No, but why is this? If this is gone, should have come this. Bringing a horizontal containing sheet 3 and sheet 4. And this, I may not put in sheet, not sheet 4, but sheet 3. And then this. Yeah.
Yeah, like this only.
Yeah, so again, add short head button. This is for 1 and this is for 1. Now you click on this is gone, now you click on this. Okay?
Okay.
So,
Yeah, thanks. So we need to drop that horizontal container.
horizontal
and
container.
we need to
Actually,
place
the
sheet.
mistake that I did is along with horizontal, I brought vertical containers also. So the containers are restricting this dynamically, this sheet coming this place, right? They are restricting that. So I removed those vertical containers, then I got it.
Okay. Yeah, thanks, Rajeshwar.
Yeah. Any other doubts, guys?
Hi Rajeshwar, this is Pawan.
Hi, Pawan.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead.
Here the my scenario, I need to count the order ID. Suppose from the 6th January 2009, that is the orders of 3 members. For that, I need to make it as bucket. Suppose it has the 3 orders, sometimes it has the 4 orders like that. Based upon that, how many number of days it could be that count of that. Suppose how many 4 orders are appeared in that entire calendar area. That means I need to count as 13th of January.
Okay, so if what are the days that has only 1 order? What are the days that has only 2 orders?
Yeah,
I think
I tried like this way. I got that somehow, but I can't able to see the full thing.
You are not able to see the
count, even the count of that one portal.
put that into count of order date into text label.
But it will aggregate.
Not that is day of order date, right? I'm asking about count of order date, which is present in rows.
Count of order date.
Yeah. Why are you not able to see the count? No, bring the control it. Okay. You are not able to see the text, is what you are asking, right?
Yeah, but even though the container should be not showing in the details, should be visible in the single color of the table.
Yeah, the number you want it to be visible in single color.
That means it could be the whole bar, right? So suppose it could be above the 400. I need to display it has a 400 something change value like here. And
Yeah,
I need
that
to
should
make the entire
come.
container.
Go to your label. Why is it not coming? It should come. Go to the label. In marks, click on your label.
I didn't get you.
Label. Marks card label. Marks card label. Label. Next to size. Okay, click on those 3 dots. 3 dots. Remove that day of order date from there. Guys, can you please mute?
Hey. Out like
Yeah. Okay.
I can able to see somehow here something value.
No.
Count of order.
Wait, why are you not able to see that? Is my biggest question.
Is there any alignment issues?
No, it should not.
When I click
but can you just count of order ID, right? That is what you're taking.
Yeah, see here, suppose the 6th as the count of that, for 3 orders are in the 16th January, right? Like that, how many days contains the 3 orders, 4 orders, something like that? That means the order, count of order should be in the bucket.
Can you go to the other sheet? Can you go to the other sheet now? The one. See, you got 38 here. Then why are you not able to see?
Even here also getting when I click that overlapping part, because of it could be the small only the region, but
Because of your day that is present in your detail, you are getting that problem. Okay, now I got it. Okay, but there is enough. Now you want these days as well, or do you want these blue color lines which are coming because of the day?
I didn't get it.
These blue color lines that are present on your bar, right?
Yeah.
They're okay. Then do one thing. Just a moment. You want the values on the top, right? Do one thing. Go to analytics. Analytics, not analysis. Analytics. Analytics. So in that, drag your reference line onto the take at the pane level, pane. Now here take count of order date sum, take sum there. Now if you just move it aside, wait, take it cell level. Why it is not? Take it at the cell level. Yeah, in place of label, right? Computation label. You have label in that. In that, put value. Yeah, you got it.
But it should not be displayed in the detail view, right? Is there any possible way to remove that? It should.
Actually, I'm not a bit. Now there is there is an LOD way of doing this.
Yeah, even I tried with the number of times with try to put that order ID in the.
Let me share my screen. I'll show it.
At the end of the time, I am getting the same result whatever year I am getting like this. This is the only value I am getting. Even
let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. I'm sharing my screen if you see.
Sure.
So this is order date and let me go for an exact date and then discrete, and this is your order ID. So what he requires is whatever on a day, whatever the orders that are present. So for this, fixed order date column count distinct of order ID. Okay. Now let me convert this into dimension, and I'm bringing this in here. These are the numbers, and I'm bringing order date, and here I'm coming on this date. Now I got my values. This is how we get it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Any other doubts?
Yeah, Rajeshwar.
Hi.
This is Gandharv. I have sent a pic to your WhatsApp.
You have sent?
I want a post in a particular category search.
I didn't get you. Can you come again?
I just sent you a pic to your WhatsApp.
I didn't get any.
Did you see that I replied we discussed in yesterday class? Remember that?
I didn't get you.
I'm asking just
I'm looking for a category wise. I need a like a org. I need a row wise percentage only. I'm having a values in Excel size. It's okay.
Okay,
But
you
it's
sent Rubon, right?
Tableau. Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, in my Excel sheet, I have all values are corrected. But I imported in a Tableau, which means it shows zeros.
Then we need to see your calculation, otherwise I cannot tell you.
Okay.
Because why is it showing zeros? Without knowing that I cannot, because for that what calculation? Did you
In
try?
Tableau, that value is zero, which means in Excel sheet they have a percentage values.
I think you need to check with the formatting. Sometimes when you take percentages, it will give you zeros.
Okay. If they are using something VLOOKUP or else format, it shows zero. Likewise, you says.
No, in Tableau, what happens is. Generally, no, it came it like this, but generally it comes like this.
Yeah, it shows all the subcategory values as a percentage.
It shows zeros. So then you need to go into format, and here you need to change the number of decimals. That might be one reason why you are seeing zeros, but if it is not that case, then you have to mimic that in Tableau and show me what the issue is. Mimic that in Superstore and show me what the issue is. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, guys. Any other doubts?
Hi, Rajeshwar.
Hi.
So I have two views. One view which I have 2 crore of records, and in another view I have 5 crore of records. So when I'm doing relationship, I should get only 7 crore records. But I'm getting
No. You are doing relationship, right?
Yeah.
How will you get 7 row records? You are not doing a union, right?
No, I'm not doing union. I'm doing only relationship.
You have to understand this. Records will increase. Like you can say 2 crore plus 5 crore is equal to 7 crores when you are doing a union. When you are joining or when you are doing relationship, 2 crores are 2 crores, 5 crores are 5 crores. In relationship, in general, it is a relationship. 2 crores will stay as 2 crores, 5 crores will stay as 5 crores because in relationship, every table is at its own level of granularity. Whereas, what do you say? In joins, the resultant will be a minimum of 5 crores can expand into any level.
Can you please come again for the joints? I'm doing inner
when you are
joint for
doing
that.
joints, okay, let me simplify it. When you are doing joints, you will not get 7 crore records.
Though I'm doing inner joint, it is going beyond 12 crores.
It is going beyond
12 crores.
12 crores. Yeah, the reason being, I generally say this. Let me open my Excel and show you the issue. Okay. Now in this, now here if this is one table A. Now this table A. This is table A. In this you have column 1. And in this column you have 1, 1 and 1. Right? Then this is table B and this is column 2. Supposedly you have 1, 1 and 2. Now this resultant will
screen
be
is not visible.
Okay. Screen is not here. Oh. Yeah. So this is my table A with these columns and this is my table B. When you do join, right, this will give you 6 records. The inner join will give you 6 records because this one should go and join with this one and this one. This should go with this one and this one. So in your 2 crore record and 5 crore record table that you are having, now somewhere wherever the joining condition that you are using, it is having duplicate values. So try to remove that duplicate values, then yes, you will get a proper code.
But one view is having the records which we have to build the dashboard, and the other view is like entitlement. So I cannot remove, I mean, how can I remove the entitlement duplicates?
You
So
can
I did
remove
like,
an entitlement duplicates. Why do your entitlement table has a duplicate? Entitlement table will not have duplicates. It should actually, entitlement table should not have duplicates. Now see, if I am a user and I have access to certain dashboard, like in a dashboard I have access to certain regions. Can there be another record which is having access to some other region? That again is a problem, right? Entitlement tables in general should not have any duplicate values.
but still I was like, did an inner join, and I had a calculation like 1 1, and I also joined that like cross join, and
Oh, you
I
are
just
doing
extracted
that.
it.
Then yes, you will get huge records. When you are doing that, you will get huge records. But when a user is opening, he will only get the required number of records, like somewhere around 2 crores, right? You are saying 2 crore of normal records and 7 crore of entitlement table, right?
Exactly.
Wait, are you working in Citibank?
Yes.
Okay, I have worked for a brief while under one of the clients in Citibank. Yeah, I know this problem, and for you that is hitting the performance a lot, right?
Yeah, I mean, I am able to bring the dashboard within 10 seconds, but they want it within 5 seconds, and the refresh will
See, the
happen once the
problem here
TV
is
refreshes.
the huge data that they have. And in the project that I worked, the maximum records that were 5,000 million, which is 5 billion actually, 5 billion records. So, see, there is no alternate for that. Because I tried to work on that performance level optimization for quite some time, but from database side it's not possible, because you have to, like, you are in the company, so I am addressing you. You have to work on the entitlement table. You have to flatten the entitlement table, because for one user you have somewhere around 50 or 100 records, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Sometimes it is more. It is even 3,000 or 4,000 also are there.
Exactly.
That entitlement you cannot prevent. For that, I don't have any solution for that as of now, because that, unless until there is a way to flatten that entitlement table, where I try to get these as comma separated values, and there's a lot of things that we have done, but end of the day, uh, decreasing that is not possible.
Because we're troubling to give the refresh also, like after the database is taking 30 minutes to load, immediately it has to pick up. So it was very trouble.
Yeah, I get it. That is the biggest problem, right? Now, the problem is the huge number of records that are generated because of the entitlement table, right? So, 2 crores into your 7 crores, I think 12 crores is very less value you are getting.
No, it will beyond it, just set for the series.
Yeah, so it is huge, and I'm sorry to say this, but I worked for quite a long time on that to improve that, but no, there is no other way.
If I'm doing union on it, I'm sorry for taking so much of time. If I'm doing union on it, whether that will
No. Union is entitlement table. You cannot do it through union, right?
Just ask.
No. Union will not help you, because how will you see, the point of entitlement table is row level security, right? When you do a union, how can you identify those rows, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, no, there is no direct way to do this as far as I see. Okay, because I'm saying so confidently, because I worked on that for 2 months or 3 months to improve the performance, which I couldn't. So that is why I'm very confidently saying that I cannot do this. I'm not saying anyone cannot, the other cannot do this, but I cannot do this. Okay.
Thanks. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, last 10 minutes, guys. Any doubts?
Rajesh sir, can I share my screen?
Go ahead.
Yeah, having one. Is it visible?
Not yet.
I think it is taking time.
It's still not visible. You're sharing?
Yeah, I'm sharing, but I think due to network issue, it is not coming up. Anyways, we can have it tomorrow.
You keep trying, guys. You keep trying to share. Meanwhile, I'll ask some other doubt if someone has. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Any other doubts?
Yeah, Rajesh sir.
Go ahead.
I'm sharing my screen. Regarding about the yesterday, you told me about the try to pivot that value.
Yeah.
I did in here. The value is not getting that properly.
Notice.
This is the value and
What is? Can you come up with
deviation of that first row of that all.
Yeah. So where is your deviation calculation? Okay. So what is the value that you are supposed to get? Whatever you are getting is deviation, right? Wait.
No,
Why
not
are
that.
you not getting any
Suppose I need to get that list 1.9 here.
0.9? How much is this show?
1.3.
83. But you don't have 12 values there, right? Go there. Go to that sheet. Okay, 83, 78. This done. Why you have 3 standard deviations there? What for first one?
It was a different calculation. After the getting of this valuation, I'm
Okay.
trying with that.
Okay. So
Medical
standard. Can you go into standard deviation calculation there?
Sorry?
Can you show me your standard deviation calculation in Excel? Can you go to Excel? C22H2. Okay. Okay, can you come in here? A12.
Even I need to remove this one.
Yeah, why did you keep remove that? Then you will get the value. Exclude that. Yeah, you are getting the value, right? 5.47.
0.19.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, the person who's
Hi, Raj.
okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Shubham here actually.
Yeah, go ahead. Shubham.
So I have one requirement. How do I change the financial year dynamically? Means suppose I click on January, so only January to December data shown. If I click on May to May data show. How do I do that?
May, when you click on May,
May, then 1 year data from May to May in last year. Suppose I click on
Okay.
starting of May 2021. Okay. Means I want financial data. How do I change financial starting month of financial year dynamically?
for to change the starting month of financial year, here you can go into properties, fiscal year start. You can change it in here.
No. Yes, I know, but I want dynamically means suppose I created one parameter for all 12 months. Suppose I click on January, so I dynamically change the financial year of that particular year.
Yes. So here let me create that parameter first.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes. ఇప్పుడు 40,000 దానికే కదా
Guys,
40,000 దానికి నల్లపోతుంది కాదు కదా
Pawan. Okay, these are my months. So let me show my parameter here. These are these. I'm bringing my order date. Let me remove this. I'm bringing my order date in here and I'm getting not this, right? So if you select a month in here, based on that month, you need to get the last 12 months data, right?
Yes, it's correct. Means I need to change starting month of financial year.
So, but here you should not be getting January, February, right? You should also have year, right?
Yeah.
No, okay. When you say January, wait. So, I'm bringing my order date. So here, okay. Now let me do one thing. Let me create a calculated file. Make a date. Year of today. Oh, again it is asking me what to create a calculated file. This let me take calculation 3 parameter plus year of today. So that now I can convert this into a date field.
Okay.
If I bring this here, now this I'm creating date plus m okay, comma y.
Okay.
Now this should convert this into a date. Okay.
Yes.
So now you want to get last 12 months data from this date.
Okay. Yeah.
Let me bring my master date in here, month, and then discrete. Now if you see, these are the values. So from this month you need to get last one. So it will be less than or equal to 11.
11.
And the same thing is greater than or equal to 0. Right? Now I am bringing this into my filter and selecting to apply. Now let me bring the parameter. Okay?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you, Raj.
Thank you. Last doubt, guys. If anyone has, it is 10:28.
Network graph,
Pardon?
network chart or network graph.
Hi Raj, this is Raghu.
Hi Raghu.
So yesterday I requested about set actions. Have you got a chance to look into it? With the four
columns, right?
Yes.
Okay, let this extend. I'll try to do it here itself because otherwise I'm not doing that. So, guys, this will be the last out. I will not be taking today because I have other work. But tomorrow we can discuss any other doubts. Meanwhile, today I'll be discussing this scenario. Manufacturing. Why am I not having Okay. So I don't have here. Take segment. So all your values are in hierarchy in that?
No.
They are not in hierarchy, right?
No.
Okay. Then let me even here. Let me take something. Region. So they are not in hierarchy, right?
Right.
So when you click on furniture, you should see
Regions.
wait, but there is a problem here. Okay, let's see. When you click on category like furniture, when I click on now, generally it is like when I click on furniture, then if I'm bringing region here, it should show the values that are under region, right?
Correct.
Okay, and then when you click on east, it should show the values that are under east. Okay. Let me create parameter string. Let me duplicate this one, two. I'm not sure how many I'll take, so I'm duplicating it 4 times. So now if category, okay, if parameter 2 is equal to category, then region. So now I am replacing this with it is null now. Worksheet actions, change parameter 2. The field is category none. Okay. Then let me click on OK. Right?
Right.
Now I am creating another. Now the calculation is. Let me duplicate the existing one. Calculation 7. Duplicate. Edit. And parameter to copy is equal to parameter to copy is equal to region. Then I will take here shipment. I'm bringing this copy in here. Perfect one. Dashboard, worksheet, actions, and in here add action, change parameter, sheet to copy, and here I will be taking calculation 7. Okay, I'm clicking on east. Perfect. Okay. Now I am duplicating this again. Edit, and in here parameter to copy is equal to, now we did category, region, ship mode, and let me take segment. No, wait. Is equal to ship mode. Yeah, sorry, ship mode. Then let me take segment here. Again, I'm doing this in here. Now worksheet actions, add action, change parameter. Here I'll be taking copy, and here 7 copy. Okay. Now if you click on second class, okay.
Okay. So same way we can apply for set actions and all, right?
Set actions are a bit complicated. So that now to work on that, I'll take like this is a quick solution. So that is why I gave it to you. If I want to work on set actions, the problem is the intricate dependencies. Set is again dependent on your database. Parameters are not dependent on your database. So you can play in whichever way you want.
Okay. Got it.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll take last doubt if anyone has one last doubt. I don't want anyone to go back. Okay, I think there are no more doubts. Okay, then.
I was just asking about network chart or network graph.
Network
What
chart,
exactly?
okay. Dendrogram chart, right? Network chart in the sense?
Means linkage like from one city to another. What is the route or something like that?
Is this what you are asking?
Yeah, kind of. Yes.
Okay.
Dendrograph?
Pardon?
Is a dendrograph as well? Or?
This is called dendrogram chart.
Okay. Is there any video on your channel?
I didn't create any videos, but you can Google them, you'll get a lot of videos. I generally don't do on things that are static actually, unless until there's like once you create that. I did it for radial bar charts. Okay, then I'll try to make one video on dendrogram chart, explaining the back end whatever is happening. Let's see. I'm not sure.
No worry.
Let me see. You can YouTube that. In YouTube there are many other such are available. Okay.
Hi Rajesh sir, this is Dorababu.
Dorababu fast because it's already 10:36.
1 minute. Yeah, understood. 1 minute only. So how do you overcome the many to many in cardinal relationships? So what is the solution?
You cannot overcome many to many. I didn't get your question properly.
No, actually in cardinality, many to many is there, right?
Yeah.
So how can you overcome that? The many to many. How can you resolve that? Like that, I asked the question.
No, wait. If you have a many to many, then it is many to many. Where I'm missing something here. Wait. If it is many to many, what do you want to do? What do you want to resolve?
The thing they didn't ask.
I think we can add alias and we can do that.
No. Many to many in the sense in relationships there is a cardinality which is talking about. I'm not sure if I have it. When I bring this here, these are the performance option. In performance option, there is something called cardinality. Here, so they see you cannot resolve it here, but you can try to resolve it when you are creating views in here. I still didn't get that question. How can you resolve? They want to convert many to many into many to one. Is that what they're asking?
I hope so. But then
see, if they want to get if they want to convert this from many to many into many to one, then they should be sure that there are no duplicate values on the joining condition. Right here, the joining condition is region, right? So they should not be having two records in people table with the same name region, the same region. Then you can convert this into many to one. The same goes this side. So I think I didn't clearly get what they're asking. I'm not sure this is what they're expecting. The question might be something other.
Okay.
Because see, if the tables are many to many, here you cannot, even if you convert into many to one or one to many or one to one, it is not going to give you accurate values. If you want to convert this into many to one, work on your tables. Make sure that for every record in here, there is only one matching record in here. There are no multiple records. Then only it will help.
Okay, that would be in. We need to work on data source level or
yes, tables, data source level. The tables. You should make sure that the table, this logical table, in this logical table, there are no duplicate records. And in this one, in this table also, there are no duplicate records. Then you can go ahead and match that as 1 to 1.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. We'll again meet tomorrow. It's 10:39. It's very late. Okay, guys. Have a great day. We'll again meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.